Did you know one man became death itself in the frozen hell of Finland? In 1939, a simple farmer named Simo Heiho picked up his rifle. What happened next terrified an entire army. The Soviets called him the White Death. In temperatures that could kill you in minutes, Heiho became a ghost. He would pack snow in his mouth so his breath wouldn't betray him, then lie motionless for hours in the killing cold. Using only basic iron sights, he began hunting human beings like animals. 500 men died by his hand, sometimes 25 in a single day. The Soviets sent counter-snipers, artillery strikes, even bombers from the sky. Nothing worked. He would kill and vanish like smoke. For months, an entire division lived in terror of one man they could never see. On his final day, a Soviet sniper finally found him. An exploding bullet tore through his face. But even that couldn't kill the White Death. Simo Heiho survived and lived 60 more years. He never spoke about the men he killed. Some nightmares are too real to share.